Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to take screenshots in Windows 11 using all the built-in methods so you can capture exactly what you need fast. First, let's start with the quickest one. Press Windows key plus print screen. Your screen will briefly dim. Windows automatically saves the screenshot. Go to Pictures, then Screenshots to find it. Next, if you just want to copy the screen, press the Print Screen key by itself. The Snipping Tool overlay appears at the top. Choose Rectangle, Freeform, Window, or Full Screen. Open Paint, Word, or any app, then press Ctrl plus V to paste. Now, to capture only the active window. Click the window you want. Press Alt plus Print Screen. Only that window is copied to the clipboard. Paste it using Ctrl plus V. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.